Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a 2013 Harley Davidson Sportster 72. This bike's got the 1200cc air-cooled V-twin. It's a Sportster with a 21-inch skinny front tire. Kind of based off of the way that folks used to do these Sportsters back in the 70s when they chop them. Got the traditional Sportster peanut tank on it. This is part of the Harley Davidson Hard Candy series, Hard Candy Customs. Beautiful metallic green paint, lots of heavy flake in there. Excellent tire on the rear, set of Vance & Hines exhausts. Bike's got a 5-speed transmission, forward mount foot controls. This is a battery tender lead hanging out here. We can stick that back up and under there. Got the little 72 logo there on the tank. Mini apes, chrome switch housings and switches, brake reservoir, nice Avon grips. We put those on there new for you. She's a sweetheart. Got good miles on this 13 model too. Good tires. Got the little graphic there on the front fender. Check the miles and fire it off for you. It's got 1,245 miles. White wall tires look real good on this bike. Sound good too. Lots of bling. If you'd like to know more about it, give our sales team a call toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. Go online and see our complete inventory of good, clean, used motorcycles at cleanharleys.com. This bike qualifies for some excellent financing and extended warranties. We take almost anything in on trade. We sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.